Hello everyone, I'm Elena from Domatters. As we all know, key opinion leader is a popular concept in Chinese business recently, and it is particularly powerful in China. Key opinion leader is reflected on almost all social media platforms in China, such as Weibo, TikTok, Bilibili, and Xiaohongshu. This combination of key opinion leader and e-commerce had brought new development opportunities to many industries. So first, I will introduce what is a key opinion leader, and then we will have a look at the 5 common cooperation modes with key opinion leader in China. So first, key opinion leader is a marketing concept. It is usually defined as a person who has more and more accurate product information, is accepted or trusted by relevant groups, and has an amazing influence on the purchase behavior of this group. They are experts in specific fields. Their followers attach great importance and trust to what they say, so they can easily influence the discussion in their field. Compared with more traditional channels, key opinion leader marketing can bring high return on investment. Besides, Chinese key opinion leaders have great influence than what you can imagine and have a huge impact on a brand's reputation in China. There are many types of key opinion leaders like Austin Li, Luo Yonghao, and Li Ziqi. All of them have made great contributions to China's e-commerce league streaming. In the past Women's Day, the sales of Austin's Live Studio reached 2.8 billion CNY, nearly 3 times the cumulative sales of Li Jiaqi last 2 years. On April 1st, 2020, Luo Yonghao completed the first show of Live Delivery, which earned more than 48 million viewers, which set a record high on Douyin. And Li Ziqi has 22 million followers on Weibo, 34 million on Douyin, China's version of TikTok, and 7 million subscribers on YouTube. Although there are only a bit more than 100 videos uploaded, but most of which watched for more than 5 million times. So today, we will have a look at the 5 common operation modes with key opinion leader. First, the brand will send the products to key opinion leader for him to create and post articles. This is the most common way of cooperation. After confirming the cooperation with key opinion leader, usually the brand will send products to key opinion leader. Then he will take pictures or videos, write down or say the feelings of using, and reflect the selling points of the products. To put it simply, key opinion leader is asked to post information about the cooperative brand, introduce the brand to his fans, and explore and dream. 2. Sponsored or give special editing products as gifts to key opinion leader. The most popular way is product evaluation. The merchant sends the product to key opinion leader for free and then invite him to give a recommendation trail evaluation. This can bring more product explosion, real person evaluation, and opting many product publicity materials. However, brands should pay attention to the value of goods when carrying out such cooperation and make products high quality and special. Many key opinion leaders will spontaneously create content for this. 3. Key opinion leaders forward the content for the brand. This type of cooperation is common in Weibo and Douyin. The brand has carefully produced a video advertisement or lottery content. In order to increase the exposure of the video or content, it cooperates with multiple key opinion leaders to forward and recommend the brand. Multiple accounts drive the fan groups to interact and form the popularity of community. First, commission cooperation. This is also the cooperation mode that many brands expect to try, especially some brands that take sales as the marketing goal. Generally, it can be divided into two modes, pure commission and exclusive plus commission. In particular, some new brands or brands with small marketing budget often expect a pure commission cooperation. This cooperation mode requires the brand side to carefully select key opinion leaders to achieve better results. When selecting bloggers, we should not take content as the consideration standard, but know their fan portraits, delivery experience, and even their sales ability. 5. Broadcast cooperation. When it comes to key opinion leader cooperation, it is inevitable to think of the hot leaf broadcasting with goods in the past 2 years. The brand can ask the anchor broadcast leaf on its own account or invite the anchor or key opinion leaders to its own leaf broadcasting room to interact and activate the atmosphere as participating guests. Some points must be paid attention. For example, the promotion price is too low, which is not conducive to brand building. Don't sacrifice your S product. The anchor's carrying capacity should be deeply considered. So that's all. Hope this is useful for you. See you next time. Bye.